Over 1 million marine creatures and other animals die each year from plastic trash. There are over 5 trillion pieces of plastic debris in the ocean.
80% of marine garbage is land-based, most of which is plastic.
Unlike other materials, plastic never truly decomposes. It will remain on the land and ocean forever as microscopic plastic soup. Rubbish that is left behind on streets can be carried by wind and rain into our drainage networks and rivers that then flow into the sea.
Major rivers around the world carry around 2 million tons of plastic into the sea every year.
So we thought of inventing a robot that looks like a dog and picks up rubbish from the ground. We started with a rubbish hunt around our school and found a lot of plastic and other rubbish in and around the playground. So we came up with a robot that we call the RoboDogger 2018.
On the outside of RoboDog, near the on-off button, there is a solar panel which provides power. The rubbish measurer tells you when the storage is full. The 8 wheels let RoboDog rotate 360 degrees.
The inside shows where the rubbish is sucked up and x-rayed. It scans and tells RoboDog what column it is sorted into. For example, if it is rubbish, it will go to the rubbish tube that gets stored. This is another view of the RoboDogger inside. The camera helps to detect where the rubbish is, so that it can suck it up and place it in the right row. When the tail is distracting rubbish, it looks for the right fit. Thank you for watching, and remember